Good morning to all of you. Today's topic is induced breeding hypophysis. Here we start with the introduction. Induced breeding is a technique whereby ripe fish breeders are stimulated by pituitary hormone or any other synthetic hormone introduction to breed in captive condition. The stimulation promotes timely release of sperms and eggs. The technique of breeding the fish by administering pituitary gland extract injection is known as induced breeding or hypophysis. It is most important because the hormone of the pituitary gland is soluble in water. Gonadotropin. Two types of gonadotropin extracts have been used to induce ovulation in fish: human chorionic gonadotropin (HCG) and fish pituitary extract. Fish pituitary extracts are made by removing the pituitary from a fish and extracting the hormones. Usually, pituitary glands are used to induce the fish for spawn. The hormones secreted by pituitary gland stimulates growth, development, maturity and ovulation of eggs. These hormones secreted from pituitary are protein or peptide. So, induced breeding definition is simple. It is also called hypophysis, and this is the hormone gonadotropin hormones, mainly FSH and LH, secreted by hypophysis for induced breeding. This stimulates, promotes eggs and sperms in female and males. Both female and males collected in pond water and fertilization takes place. These fertilizations have many advantages because we want desirable fish seeds. It is simple, no surgical instrument is required. Both matured male and female fish are collected. It is preferred to collect the pituitary gland from freshly killed fishes, but it has been observed that the pituitary glands taken from 5 to 8 days old ice preserved fishes have also given successful result. In the fish market, where the head of cut fishes are available, the pituitary glands can be taken out from the posterior end of the cranium through the foramen magnum after cleaning the brain tissue. This process also done in lab by dissection. After collection of pituitary gland, preservation and storage is next step. This is done by freezing and also in absolute alcohol, and it is also used in preserved in acetone. After 24 hours, alcohol is changed for further dehydration and defattening. The glands are then weighed and preserved in fresh alcohol in dark color phials. It may be stored at room temperature or in refrigerator. The mature female and male fish's weight is also preferable. When its gland is preserved in alcohol on acetone, then next step is preparation of extract In homogenizer with distilled water, the glad suspension is centrifuged and extract is found. Next step is selection of breeders or method of injection and spawning. We should preferably be the male and female with size, medium size and weight 1 to 5 kilogram is necessary. Age group is also preferable 2 to 4 years. During the rainy season, the extract of the pituitary gland is injected in the muscles of the matured calves because rainy season influences the fertilization. Injection of the calves be done outside of the water, lying on a piece of sponge. Here we see in diagram, fish have no harm and injection be done by intramuscular by hypodermic syringe. After pituitary dose injected, fish is immediately released in breeding hapa. The hapa is made of fine meshed mark in cloth or closed mesh mosquito net cloth. The meshes of the cloth should not be large to allow the eggs and milk to pass through them. Very fine hapa is needed, breeding hapa. Then after 2 to 3 hours of second injection, the breeders start swimmingly actively, become excited and restless, and then eggs and sperms are released and fertilization occurs. This is the process of how eggs and sperms are found. In first diagram, collection. This is pituitary extract. This is hypodermic syringe, just called hypophyseation. This is electric current for stimulation. Striping for collection of eggs and sperm. And then this is container. So here we discussed about induced breeding. It have many advantages. In induced breeding, no possibility of mixture and we get pure fish seeds. Second is desired species calves can be cultured through the induced breeding. Any species of fish we culture in induced breeding. Large number of eggs are available from a fish through induced breeding. In the same season, a calf can be induced to breed more than once because fish always mature reproduce in rainy season. But after introduction of induced breeding, it breeds more than once Next is transportation cost becomes very low as the calves can be bred in any desired pond. Between the different species of fishes, hybridization can be done and it is possible to create hybrid variety of fishes. Here we see breeding hapa. This is the breeding hapa, fine mesh cloth. This is how fish gives hypodermic syringe for induced of pituitary gland. Many factors influence the spawning: temperature, rain, flowing water, oxygen, turbidity. So, induced breeding is a successful treatment for great help in fish culture by manipulating environmental condition. Use of cheap hormones like pituitary hormones and simple inexpensive method of induced breeding. Induced breeding is done in many calves for species. So thank you.